Anglais Category A 3. What can you suggest now? A. 1. To do. B. 2. Doing. C. 3. He would do. D. For him to do. Hardly, the supertanker collided. A. 1. After had. B. 2. Which had. C. 3. Had 0. D. 4. That had. Filled up pointing triangle, an oil slick appeared on the surface of the sea. A. 1. That. B. 2. Than. C. 3. When. D. 4. Which. The crew can repair the damage. A. 1. Quicker, better it is. B. 2. The quickest, the best. C. 3. Quick as, just as well. D. 4. The quicker, the better. The Egyptians were great architects, built pyramids. A. 1. It was they who. B. 2. It was them who. C. 3. They are they who. D. 4. They are they that. Clark, a firm, finally changed his mind. A. 1. That wanted to leave. B. 2. That wanted leaving. C. 3. Who wanted to leave. D. 4. Who wanted leaving. What? You have lost your umbrella. A. 1. Still. B. 2. Yet again. C. 3. Yet another. D. 2. 3. The boss is making plans for 30 years, time he'll have retired. A. 1. At which. B. 2. By which. C. 3. At what. D. 4. To the. Your grammar. A. 1. It would be time for to check, wouldn't it? B. 2. It's time should check, shouldn't you? C. 3. It's time did check, didn't you? D. 4. It's time checked, isn't it? The information, although alleged good authority, was finally denied. A. 1 from. B. 2 on. C. 3 out of. D. 4 of.